Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Cafe. So after a long period of time, we will continue our work on our social network. So in the previous video, we complete this all the comment session. Okay, the user were allowed to add a comment on someone post and all of that. So now in this video, we will work on this find people option. Okay, in this navbar. So first we will create this member.php file. So let's open our text editor and now we will open up a new file and we will save this file in the social network folder. Name will be members.php. Okay, and then click save. So the first thing we need to do is to copy all of the code from the home.php file and then we will paste that code on the members.php. So we will remove this code from here and the title will be find people and we will remove all of this div from here and we will remove this div also, and that's it. So inside this row div we will open up a div. This div class will be equals to call -sm -12, and then inside this div open up a center tag, and then inside the center tag we will open up a h2 tag, and then we will type that find new people, and then we will add it to br, and after that we will open up a div, and this div class will be row, and inside this div we will open up another div. The div class will be equals to call -sm -4, and we will leave this div empty, and then we will open up another div. This div class will be call -sm -4, and we will open up a form inside this div, and the form class will be equals to search underscore form, and then action will be null for now, and then inside this form we will open up an input type, and the type will be text, and then its name will be search underscore user, and placeholder will be search friend. Okay, and then we will create a button. So button, and the button class will be btn hyphen info, and its type will be equals to submit, and its name will be search underscore user and or hyphen btn, and then over here we will type search. So this is our form for searching a user, and after this closing div we will open up another div. The div class will be call -sm -4, and we will also leave this empty, and over here we will add a br tag, and then after this we will open up a php tags, and over here we will type, or we will call the search underscore user function. We will create this function on the functions.php file, okay, on this file. So I think this is it for this members.php file. So now let's create this search underscore user function. on this function.php file. So if you just scroll down, and after this curly bracket, we will type function, and then the function name is search underscore user. And now inside this function, what we will do is to first global up the it's global, and we will type the connection variable. Okay, so after this we will add an if condition. So if I set, and then dollar underscore get, and then the search underscore btn, and search underscore, I think it's user underscore btn. This is the button name on the members.php file. Okay, so if that button is clicked, then what we will do, first we will create a variable search underscore query, and that variable will be equals to html entities, and then the dollar underscore get, and search underscore btn. And after that we will create another variable get underscore user, and it will be equals to a query, and the query will be for the search. So we will search for the first name and the last name and the username. So for that we will type select all from users, the users table in the database, and then where f underscore name like, and then we will percentage sign, and then add a 2% sign, and then dollar search underscore query variable name. Okay, this variable name. Okay, so if the first name, so if the user enter anything in the in this input type, okay, then if that data is equals to the first name or the last name, then we will search for that user, and I think it's search underscore user, so we need to change it over here. It will be search underscore user. Okay, so after the first name we will search for the last name, so l underscore name will be like, then the dollar search underscore query, and then the last one will be for the username, so user name will be like, and then the dollar search underscore user, and that's it. So after this if condition we will add an else. So we will run this query if the user search for the first name or the last name or the username. So inside this else condition we will show them all of the user in the database. Okay, so for that we will create a variable user, and then get underscore user, and it will be equals to select all from user. You will understand what will be happening once we create all of that members.php file, I mean the find people. So after this else condition we will create a variable run underscore user, and it will be equals to mysqli underscore query, and then we will pass the connection variable and then the dollar get underscore user variable, and then we will add a while loop. First give out some space so that you can see easily. So this row underscore user variable will be equals to my sqli underscore fetch array, and then we will pass the run underscore user variable, and we will remove this code, create a variable user underscore id, and it will be equals to dollar row underscore user, and then the user underscore id variable from the database, not the variable, the row in the database. And after the user id we will get the first name, then the last name, then the username, and then the user image. Okay, so we get all of this data, and now inside this while loop we will echo out all of that user. So over here we will type echo and give out some space. Okay, so over here we will create a variable, or not a variable, a div, and the div class will be equals to row, and then inside this div we will open up another div, and this div class will be equals to core -sm -3, and after this div we will open up another div, and its class will be call -sm -6, and then inside this div we will open up another div. The div class will be equals to row, and its id will be equals to find people, or we can say that find underscore people. And inside this div we will open up another div, and this div class will be equals to call -sm -4, and then we will add a and then a herf. So herf will be equals to the user underscore profile dot php, and then question mark u underscore id will be equals to the dollar user underscore id variable, and we will end this, and over here we will open up a image image src will be equals to, first we will show the user profile image. So for that we will type the image src will be equals to dollar user underscore image, and this is inside in the users folder. Okay, this users folder, and oh no, in the user folder, in the users table. Okay, so its width will be equals to 150px, and height will be equals to 140px, and its title will be equals to the username. So if the user hover his mouse upon the image, it will show the username of that user, and the style will be equals to float then on the left side, and margin will be equals to, I think, 1px, and that's it. And we will close this style tag over here. Oh, like this. And we will end this image src and that, and then after that we will close the a tag, the a half tag. Okay, and then we will close that div. Okay, so we already did that. Okay, over here then we'll just add a 2br, and after this div we will open up another div. Its class will be equals to call-sm-6, and then inside this div we will show the user first name and the last name. So for that we will first open up a half will be equals to the user underscore profile dot php, and then u underscore id will be equals to the dollar user underscore id, and just remove that, add a single over here. Okay, that's it. And then we'll close that a half tag, and over here we will open up a style tag, and style will be equals to, I think, text decoration will be none, and remove that single, add this semicolon, and the style tag will be the same. Okay, so after this text decoration we will type cursor will be pointer, so we will type pointer, and its color will be, I think, a dark blue sky color. Okay, and after this a tag we will open up a strong tag, and inside the strong tag we will type the, or we will echo the first and the last name. So over here we will type the f underscore name variable, and then we will give some space, and then the last underscore name variable, and we will close this a tag over here, and the div is closed. And after this div we will open up another div, and its class will be equals to call-sm-3. and after this div we will open up another div, and we will add a class call-sm-4, and add a br over here. Okay, and I think this is it. And if we just scroll up, and we will change this to row underscore user, and this one also to row underscore user, and I think all of the code is now ready to run. That's it. So now if we click on, if we just first refresh our page, and then if we click on this find people, here is our users. Okay, for now we have just two users in the database. The first user is Scarlett Johnson, and then the Alicia, which is me, and there is our search bar. So let's just test it. If we test this, so if we type ali and click search button, here is the user Ali Share, because I just searched for the first name. And in the next video we will design on this members.php file, because this video has gone too long. So now I think you will understand this code over here. So if the user search for any of the name, then it will show this, and by default it will just show all of the users as we just write over here that select all from the users. Okay guys, so this is it for this video, and as I say that in the next video we will design this members.php file, so don't worry. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel Coding Cafe, and thank you guys for watching.